Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll talk about how to fix iPhone stuck on SOS only. Here, the user cannot make any calls on an iPhone with this status or with this condition. In this video, we will see how to fix it, how to remove SOS only from your iPhone very quickly. But guys, talking about solution here, there are various solutions, various troubleshooting methods we can try to fix this. But before that, the main thing what you can do is first of all always contact your network provider. So now getting back to the actual solutions, first of all always remember any network issue on your iPhone, the first solution is always enable and disable the airplane mode on your iPhone. Go to settings and just enable and disable the airplane mode. So basically for a quick time it will reset your network setting on an iPhone. Then you can try still there is issue with SOS only or not. The second solution what you can try is change your mobile data. For that go to settings, open mobile data or cellular, and here go to data options, and here you can play with your LTE, 5G or options. Okay, just change that, change your 5G on, 5G auto, LTE and play with that. Okay, change that and you can try to reset or fix the issue as well. Okay, try that. Now the third one what you can do is reboot your iPhone. Okay, just turn off your iPhone and reboot your iPhone. Third one you can try. The fourth solution what you can try is reset your SIM card. So if you're having a physical SIM, just do one thing, just remove your SIM card. Okay, remove the tray and just reinsert your physical SIM on your iPhone. Sometime basically it will reset your network settings on an iPhone with this setting as well. So reinsert a SIM card in an iPhone. Once you try that still there is an issue, then what you can do is reset your network setting on an iPhone. If there is any glitch or a bug with the network settings, that you can fix. For that do one thing, go to your settings, okay, open general and here scroll down till the last and open transfer or reset iPhone. Open that, tap on reset and here click on reset network setting. Enter the passcode and you can reboot or you can reset your settings of a network settings on your iPhone, and you can try that solution as well. Still there is an issue in a same setting, what you can do is reset all setting. If there is any other setting on your iPhone, customized iPhone, that is preventing such issues on your iPhone or creating a problem on your iPhone regarding network, can be fixed. So do one thing, go to your settings, general, transfer and reset iPhone, and here tap on reset iPhone and you can reset or get back to your default settings on an iPhone with this method. Okay, and you can try that. Also I forgot to mention, you can try to check for a carrier update setting on your iPhone. For that do one thing, go to a setting application, go to general and here tap on about, and here you can scroll down and under the network issues here you can check if there is any carrier update available for you or not, because many people don't have it, some have. So go ahead and check for any carrier update and that might fix it as well on your iPhone. So try that. So now trying all these troubleshooting issues, still there is a issue, then you can do one thing, try to contact your service provider or a network provider. Call them, contact them, speak to them. They will check from their side if there is issue with your physical or hard SIM, then you can replace the SIM and you can try that as well. So you can try with your network provider with this method. Also still there is an issue, then the last option that will be taking your iPhone to a Apple support, because if there is any physical damage to your network band or a SIM tray, that can be causing a issue, right? So just go ahead and check for hardware issue or a hardware damage. For that visit your Apple support, nearest Apple support for this issue verifying. So guys, that's it. That is all I can tell you about the issues and troubleshooting methods. I hope anyone will surely works for you. If anyone works for you, let me know in the comment below. Until then, if you like this video, please give a like. Please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solution and iOS update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.